You want to see the camera?
Yeah.
Can you say please? Say please.
No.
What do you mean no? Are you playing with soap?
Yeah.
Slippery soap?
Yeah.
Can you say slippery soap?
No.
Soap! What do you do with soap?
Mama do a baby soap.
That's for the baby soap?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who did your hair and ponies today?
See?
Who? You want to see the picture?
Yeah.
But who did your hair up in ponies today?
Yeah.
Was that your teacher, Miss Anna?
Yeah.
Who's your best friend?
Alright, see.
Gracie.
Yeah.
Does she have her hair and ponies today?
Alright, see.
Gracie.
Yeah.
Does she have her hair up in ponies today?
Alright, see.
Gracie.
I see why.
Do you want to go play in your room?
Yeah.
You want to read a book?
Yeah.
You turned off the light?
Yeah.
Do you want to do the hokey pokey?
No. Walk.
You want to walk?
Yeah.
Okay, walk into your room. And then you could choose a book. If you want.
Pokey. Hi. Pokey.
Pokey, pokey.
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 Pokey. Pokey. Pokey.
How come you're taking every single book off the shelf?
A pokey.
You're looking for the pokey book?
Yeah.
Who's that? Who's that?
A pokey.
Who's that guy?
The pokey. And the pokey.
You didn't find the pokey book yet? Oh, I think I see it.
Yeah. The pokey. Pokey. Pokey.
The last book on the shelf. There it is.
Pokey.
Hey, I think you passed it.
Yeah.
Where's the pokey book?
Apple. Apple. Apple.
You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out. You put your left foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around.
No.
What are you looking for? What are you looking for, Emily? A book. Oh, the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Yay! You want to sing again?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not a very exciting book until you get to the last page and it plays music. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little... Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder... No. You want to read that book? Okay, start in the beginning.
Wow.
Yow. Oops.
Boo. Wow. Ooh. Cockle, cockle. Ouch.
Hoot, hoot, that's an owl.
Owl.
Squeak, squeak.
Look. Look. A monkey.
That's not a monkey, that's a bat.
A monkey.
Yeah, that's a monkey. All done.
The pool monkey.
The monkey went poop.
Yeah.
Alright.
I like the monkey. 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 Hey!
Diapering this monkey costs a lot of money. How many diapers are you going to use today? One?
Yeah.
Just one?
No.
How many? Two?
No.
Three?
Yeah.
Oh.
A two.
Two. I see two in your hand.
Yeah.
Wait till we get the white. Ay, ay, ay.
Okay.
Proceeding to empty all the diapers out of the drawer. Hmm. Hmm.
Hey!
Ice. Yes, I know there's a drink there with ice.